Are you looking to climb higher in search rankings? Well, guess what? It's no longer just about suffering your content with keywords. To get Google's attention, you need to crack the code to Google's EE80. Today, we are diving into EE80, Google's secret formula for SEO success. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what EE80 is, why it matters, and how you can master to dominate the search engine results. So let's jump into it. First off, what does EE80 stands for? EE80 stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. It's a quality framework that Google uses to determine which content is reliable and valuable. If your content demonstrates EE80, Google is more likely to boost your rankings. But why is this so important? Why EE80 matters? Google wants to serve its users the best and most reliable information. That means they want content from people who know their stuff, have real life experience, and can be trusted. If you hit all the marks, you are well on your way to ranking higher on Google.
In the last few months, there had been a hardcore discussion about the addition of an extra E, which stands for experience. Now the thing is, guys, that as per the latest quality rated guidelines of Google, Google would now leverage well into the places where it can find meaningful and relevant content from a particular expert on a particular field.
Now, let's break down each element of EE80 and explore what you can do to make your content stronger each area. Number 1, experience. Experience is all about showing that your content comes from real-world experience. Users at Google love personal insights and hands-on knowledge. Here's how you can demonstrate experience in your content. Share real-life examples. Let's say you are writing about home improvement. Sharing personal stories, photos of past projects or lessons learned will add a level of authenticity that generic advice cannot match. Use case studies. Nothing says experience like a solid case study. Case studies show that you have actually done the work you are talking about. It's a great way to back up your claims with real-world data and scenarios. Add customer testimonials. Customer stories, reviews, and testimonials are great ways to showcase experience and build trust. If your audience sees that others have benefited from your advice, they are more likely to trust you.
Next up, we have got expertise. This is where you show that you are an authority on the topic. You are not just writing stuff, you know your stuff. Highlight your credentials. If you have anything to showcase of your expertise, experience in a particular field, make it known. Put this information in your bio, on your website, or directly in the content itself. Demonstrate depth of knowledge. Use statistics, research, and detailed explanations that show you are done your homework. This will make readers and Google see that you are not just scratching the surface but offering in-depth insights. Publish high-quality content. Make sure the information is accurate, up-to-date, and valuable. Avoid clickbait to vague advice. Instead, focus on providing real solutions and well-researched content.
Number 3, authoritativeness. In the online world, authority comes from the respect and the recognition of others. Earn backlinks from reputed sites. Backlinks are still one of the strongest signals for authority. Aim to get mentions and links from websites that Google already trusts. This could be a government website, a university, or an established media outlet. Grow your social media presence. Social signals can contribute to your authority when people are sharing your content on social media. It's a signal to Google that people find your information valuable. Get featured or quoted in reputed sources. Being mentioned or quoted on respected industry sites, blogs, or media can add a lot of authority to your name.
Finally, we have trustworthiness. Trust is essential in building a long-term relationship with both users and search engines. Use accurate data. Make sure the information you are providing is factual, sourced, and well cited. Linking to studies, reputable publications, and other credible sources can strengthen the trust. It's important then to secure your website. An SSL certificate is a must-have. Users want to know that their data is safe, and Google prefers secure sites. If you don't have SSL, get it installed. Include privacy policies and contact info. If you are asking people to trust you, make it easy for them to contact you. Having a clear privacy policy and easily accessible contact information can go a long way in building trust. So why should you focus on EEAT for your SEO strategy? Here is the bigger picture. Google rewards content that demonstrates EEAT with higher rankings and greater visibility. The search engine algorithms are getting better at distinguishing high quality and trustworthy content from everything else. And as AI technology continues to evolve, this focus on quality will only increase. If you can master EEAT, you will set yourself apart from the competition and capture Google's attention. And let's be honest, ranking higher means more traffic, more leads, and ultimately more business. To wrap things up, let's recap with some practical steps you can take it right now to boost your EEAT. Number 1, experience. As you can see in the screen, share personal stories, case studies, and testimonials to show that you have been there and done that for a while. Number 2, expertise. Highlight your authenticity, back up claims with research, and ensure your content is comprehensive and accurate.
Authoritativeness. Earn backlinks, grow your social media following, and aim to be featured on reputed sites. Trustworthiness. Secure your site, provide accurate information, and be transparent with privacy policies and contact details.
There you have it. Everything you need to know about Google's EEAT and how to apply it to your content. Implementing these strategies might take some time, but the results will speak for themselves. Remember, the key to SEO success is not just about tricking algorithms, it's about creating high quality and reliable content.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more SEO tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and here's to climbing those search rankings.